Hello YouTube pipe community, Whiteford Pipes here, Michael coming at you. It's let's see, the 6th of July, Friday, and we finally got a break in the heat after 7 days, and I guess there ended up being over 36 deaths in Quebec, especially Montreal. They're mostly guys, males, age 54 to 80 who didn't have air conditioning, that were all heat-related deaths, over 36 of them. That's a darn shame. Anyway, gonna smoke some, got my Canadian there that I built, loaded up with some Peter Stokkebye proper English, and I thought I'd try this today, which is a Hop City Barking Squirrel. It's an amber ale, lager, sorry. And I didn't notice this until today. It says our flagship brew, a superbly smooth balancing act of noble hop bitterness and caramel malt sweetness. It's a 24 IBU. I think that's International Bitterness Units. Classified as an amber lager, and it's a gold winner in the Monde selection in Belgium Canadian Brewing Awards and Ontario Brewing Awards. And what I didn't notice is it says contents barley and wheat. Well, I didn't notice anywhere on the can other than that one spot that it had wheat in it, so that's interesting. You all know what the squirrels sound like when they get doing their or that sound, and they get shaking their tail, and oh yeah, definitely smells malty, or I smell like a nice barley malt smell coming from it. Very creamy tan, or slight color to the head there, nice and clear looking. Yeah, I can smell some, almost smells like when you're cooking a wort of beer, that lovely smell that comes off. Well, I like it anyway. Very creamy. But the cream is interrupted halfway through with like a sharp wateriness, or not too bitter, pretty light on the hops actually. Real clean taste. Got like a crispness to it, actually quite nice. This I could drink a lot of probably, but I won't. But yeah, that's interesting. So we'll fire up this Peter Stokkebye proper English. There's a jackhammer going out there, and I've got some kind of message just pop up on my screen here. They're doing something in the building here with the steps, and they got a jackhammer running right now. Sorry about that. But yeah, I sure had my share in my younger years of running one of those things. It wasn't bad though, because me being so short, I could stand straight up and run the jackhammer without having my back bent over. Whereas the tall guys, man, they were at a big disadvantage because, they're standing and they're bent over, and that just must have wrecked their back something fierce. But me, I was all right. that isn't what destroyed my back. I blame that on riding an